of exit 41 Dale Road to Whitefield Avenue in Berkeley Heights Township. One lane is blocked. As of 10:43 a.m., there's a downed tree on Interstate 78 in both directions, east of exit 55, County Route 602, Lyons Avenue. In Newark, the right lane is blocked. As of 10:27 a.m., there's flooding on Interstate 78 westbound.
Use my phone's GPS, maybe like it could detect all the traffic.
In Newark, 1 to 2 lanes are closed. As of
I know, but there's so many detours. I don't know if they report every single little one. They don't report side streets, you know what I mean? So when it's going to take us to... Oh, my God. Another one. Navigation. GPS now. Oh my God.
Oh, okay.
Holy shit. I want to go see it.
I don't know how deep that is. I don't want to
Should
risk
we?
it.
I don't want to find out. Park right there. See. Is that a street?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a street.